welcome back to
Creative Family Adventures.
Today we are going to be traveling about an hour south from here, and we wanted to just show you our setup process.
Right now we're gonna be on the road. Once we get to near Tucson, we're gonna show you guys the ins and outs of setting up and what it takes to set up for your RV.
Yeah.
Let's begin.
Mwah. Huh? What are you doing first?
We're dumping the air from the suspension.
That's the first step, huh?
That's the first step. Then, oops, we get, these are the levelers. Then, the water and the sewage are in the same thing. We try not to touch it and try not to combine anything, but still a little kind of weird that the water is right next to the switch.
So,
the Winnebago get your shit together. They probably already did. This is 20 years old.
oops.
You see right here, this water is actually pretty high. Usually it comes to the middle or down here, right below. So this is helping us. I think that the water here is perfect. Usually in KOAs, the water pressure is really, really perfect. This is a surge protector. It will save a lot of your rig. Sometimes some of these posts are very old sometimes. There you go. We have power now.
So what is that?
This is a stinky slinky holder thing, I call it. It's probably not called that, but I call it this.
I think they're called stilts. Yeah, it helps to keep everything draining nicely, huh?
Yep, you don't have to lift up the hose, and it can be a little disgusting. Got the nice
Yeah.
power, water, and sewage, and we're done. Now it's time to rest.
Awesome. So if you guys have any question about those processes, feel free to leave a comment and let us know. What does it take for you to get set up? How long has it been? It's been like 20 minutes, probably.
Probably.
Yeah, so after a while you get into the rhythm.
Yeah. This used to take us like an hour or so because we needed a trailer. There's a whole different thing, but now we got it down to really short amount of time. Oh, look at the kitty.
Oh my goodness, it's a kitty. Hi. Hi. Isn't it cute? Now it's time to chill.
Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, and please keep supporting this channel. Thank you. Say bye-bye.
And hit the notification bell, you guys. Yeah, you're supporting my college fund.